In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how now you can get paid by Twitter and for your Twitter following. So first of all, what you'll need to do is obviously head over to Twitter. And now if you have a decent amount of followers and you want to monetize your Twitter account, Twitter have now released a beta called Ticketed Spaces, which now allows you to monetize your Twitter following. So first of all, how you can get there is going to the top left hand corner to the three lines. Once you click on three lines, as you can see there is an option now for monetization, and you can also get there by going to settings. Once you click on settings, just under account, there is an option again for monetization. If you click on that, as you can see, monetization options, there is ticketed spaces right there, and you will have to meet a couple of requirements for this. So if we click on ticketed spaces, so get paid for doing what you love. As you can see, you can host paid gatherings, connect more deeply with your fans, earn money where your audience is. So what you can do is just read through them and see what that is about. So if we go to what are ticketed spaces help creators generate revenue from the content they're hosting while allowing people to show their support. So as you can see, schedule a space. When you start a space, schedule it for later, then select your ticket quantity and set a price. Start selling tickets. Once you're done creating your ticket space, share a tweet to all of your followers so they can purchase tickets. And finally, make money. So earnings will be deposited in your account approximately 45 days later. You can earn up to 97% of the revenue. And then just under that there is what's the revenue share split. And as it has just said, you can earn up to 97% of the revenue on ticket sales after all fees and stuff are deducted from that final amount. So once you are ready to get started, you can click on apply for ticketed spaces, which this is in beta. And as I mentioned earlier on in the video, you will have to meet a couple of requirements before you can agree and apply for this program. So first of all, what you will need is to have at least 1,000 followers. You will have to have hosted at least 3 spaces in the past 30 days and be at least 18 years of age to apply. But once you meet all these requirements, the agree and apply button will be there available to click, and then you'll be able to apply for this program. So that's just about it for this video, guys. Please leave a like down below, and if this video did help you out, please leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.